Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at the Projector Ceiling Mount with height adjustable and knob precision 3D adjustment. Designed for home theaters, offices, and classrooms. This mount is a universal solution, capable of supporting projectors with 1 to 4 mounting holes and a maximum load of 55 pounds. What immediately stands out is its precision engineering. The mount features a patented 3D platform that allows for millimeter-level adjustments using a simple knob. This makes positioning your projector incredibly precise, whether you need to tilt it forward, backward, or side to side. The telescopic tube provides infinite vertical adjustment, while the 360-degree horizontal rotation ensures you can place your projector exactly where it's needed. Stability is another key feature of this mount. Unlike traditional mounts where load-bearing and adjustment mechanisms are concentrated in one area, this design separates the locking and adjustment nodes. This allows for superior load capacity and zero displacement over time, keeping your projector perfectly aligned without slipping, even under long-term use. The mount's aluminum alloy construction is not only strong but also gives it a sleek, instrument-grade look, making it as much a statement piece as a functional accessory. For cable management, the mount includes dual pass-throughs, routing both power and signal cables neatly through the top and side. This keeps everything organized, avoiding the messy look of exposed wires and making it compatible with both standard and drop ceilings. Versatility is another area where this mount excels. It can accommodate large projectors from brands like JVC, Panasonic, NEC, Sharp, Hitachi, and BenQ, as well as medium and small projectors from Sony and Epson. It even supports ultra-short throw projectors and single-hole micro projectors. The height range is adjustable from 7.1 to 9.8 inches, and it can fit projectors with mounting holes up to 19.7 inches apart. Installation is straightforward, and the kit comes with all necessary ceiling components, a 3D adjustable platform, mounting legs, and an accessory toolkit. Overall, this mount combines precision, stability, and versatility, making it a solid choice for anyone looking to install a projector in a home theater, classroom, or office environment. Whether you're mounting a compact mini projector or a large professional unit, this ceiling mount ensures precise placement and long-term reliability. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth product breakdowns.